Hi guys, we're off in Asqui, hoping to find some nice gold or something today. Silver hammered, anything nice for the collection today. Let's go save some history. We'll see you on the first find. Alright guys, I finally found my first good signal. I've dug quite a few signals today, but nothing really good. Nice little button here. It's quite old. Definitely old. Let me see if I can get it focused. I'm not sure exactly what's on it. Looks like a crown and anchor maybe. Not sure. Have to find out when I clean it up a little bit. It's really old though. That's for sure. Alright, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Well guys, there just doesn't seem to be a lot of signals today. Got a lot of acres, 165 acres, but we just can't seem to be getting good signals today. I did just have this signal come up. I'll show you what it is. Old nail tag. Camera's not gonna focus. Just an old nail, green, bronze. Definitely handmade, probably. Anyway, I have to clean my lens off so I can get it to focus better for you. Let's see what it looks like now. Alright, well, we're gonna keep on going. Hopefully have something, at least one coin come up today. Alright, we'll see you on the next hole. Alright, I think I just found some good luck. Found that nail. I said I hope I find at least one coin today. I think I just did it. There it is. Can't really see it. I'm going to have to clean it up and show you guys. But I'd say it's definitely looking like a coin. And I hate to rub them like this, but I'm going to have to get some water and clean it up. I'll be back, guys. Alright. Alright, so it's definitely a coin. It's a 5 pence, 1990. Not really what we're looking for, but yeah, it's a coin. Alright, next nice signal came out. It's an old thimble, guys. Back in the day, the women and kids used to work in the field making clothes and stuff. And yeah, they'd lose thimbles often, actually. So that's why they're found here in the farmland so often. But it's an old one. It'll clean up nice. Add to the collection. I have about 6 of them now. I just had a button come up, guys. Old Tom Beck. Nothing real special. I know they're happy to find these in America, but not what we're looking for in the UK. That's for sure. Still fun. Nice tone. Nice to dig. But hopefully we're onto another coin. Alright guys, I think I did it. Found a hammered coin. Tell you what, I walked and I walked and I walked, but I think it finally paid off. Let's see if I can flip you around here. Oh, that took a picture of me. That wasn't the right button. Hang on. Alright guys, you ready? Here it is. It's definitely a hammered coin. Flip it over. I'm not going to clean it out until I get to the house, or maybe when I see Andrew. Oh, where'd it go? He's got some water I can check it out with. Oh, there it is. Alright guys. Alright guys, this was just on the surface pretty much. Kick the dirt around, it was right there on top. It's like a old buckle maybe from it's definitely old, probably medieval. I like it. Alright, moving on. Well guys, I really had higher hopes for this place. Oh, it's about a 3-hour drive to get here. Yeah, 2.5-hour drive to get here. But the location is excellent. I figured there'd be more coming up today. From what I know of, there hasn't really been much that came up today at all. I'm pretty fortunate to have that one hammered coin come up. It's an Edward the First. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I just had this little lead piece come up today, or just now. Not sure what it is. It's got a nice design on it. Probably can't get the camera to focus. It's been that kind of day. My pinpointer broke, so I don't have a pinpointer. My headphones are messing up. Coming disconnected from the machine. So, it's just one of those days, you know? Sometimes you win them, sometimes you lose them. Today we're losing them. But, yeah, fortunate. Nice sunny day. That's all that matters, right? Out of the house. Enjoying the sun, the weather, nice weather. Got my friend Chris over there. He's had a bad day today too. Only a couple coins from the early 1900s probably. But yeah, just not much going on. And this is only one of the fields. There's a field on the other side of the bushes there. There's a field all the way at the end of this field. And then there's another field behind the trees way back there. It is just not cooperating today. Not a lot of finds coming up today. Hey, you win some, you lose some. It's been a good day though.